Qingdao Baida Mingsheng International Trading Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of mobile houses. We specialize in integrated housing research and development, production, sales, leasing, and import-export trade services. Product types are divided into container house, modular house, folding box room, container office area, prefabricated buildings, etc. Covers an area of 34,000 square meters, including 20 engineers, a total of 200 employees, fast and stable productivity, up to 200 sets of production per day, sold to 135 countries and regions. We provide 150,000 houses for Chinese Mobile Cabin Hospital every year. Turkey Earthquake is provided 10,000 houses, customized production. The company has a capable, experienced technical team, professional installation, and good after-sales maintenance personnel. The company's spirit of excellence, treat each other sincerely, business principle, after long-term research and exploration, has formed a reasonable design, efficient production line operation. The market demand of our product is increasing year by year, and the share of our products is gradually expanding throughout the country. Sales and market share are increasing every year. Now we are going to the world. Let more people enjoy our quality service. Send the warmth of home to every corner of the world. Baida is an enterprise full of human care and social responsibility. We strictly control the quality so that all people who live in Baida House can feel at home. We will continue to provide customers with satisfactory products and services. Welcome to contact us.
Welcome to Baida.